Another tutorial. How to restore classic volume. If you do not like a new volume, you can still restore this by using Windows 10 Manager. I think if you go to custom system, use the old volume control. This will help us a lot. I also have another option to show you. You can add to menu start very important commands. When you go to the desktop, you can add very necessary things here: services, registry, editor, system configuration. When you go to context menu, add menu, you have even administrative privilege. I'm using take ownership. Command group, this is what you do. I called this tools. Position top, I think I should really use, and I think you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think about 10 commands, or little bit more, and I will click save. I have got tools on the top of the things. You can also add, I forgotten to mention about this. I forgotten to pay attention. Another thing, customize. Where I should go? I think utilities, Windows utilities. And now what you do? Add it to context menu. I think I have already got this, but I don't know. Am I in the desktop? Or I got this command. There's no point for me to add this, but I have to check if I have got command prompt. I already added, but you can add the command prompt to the desktop, to context menu. Group policy should be, don't add it to context menu because it will not be visible. It won't work in context menu. Add it to the desktop. This is very useful command. I can close all processes. Other utilities, you can add a full shutdown. I already have, I think. I disabled the hybrid shutdown because my Windows did not shut down properly, so it has been disabled. Hybrid shutdown you don't really need. I'm telling you just in the future, because it was causing my Windows to shut down longer time. Now it shuts down immediately. I think you like this video. Bye.